Hello everyone, welcome to Gutishu Cash, where you learn how to make money online with your mobile phones. In today's video, I want to show you step-by-step guide how you can register on Owodaily. Owodaily is a very old platform that helps you to make money online across Nigeria. Alright, whether you are in Nigeria watching this video or outside Nigeria, you can get paid on this site because they have PayPal enabled. Okay, so let's start now. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel, turn on notification bell so you get awesome videos like this whenever I post. All right, and if you get any value from this video, ensure you smash the like button. Right, let's get into the video right now. Basically, what you need to do is to fill in your full name. You can see here, you just type in your name. Like my name is Samuel. I type in my name and Apollo's demo. Right, this is my full name. And this is what you're supposed to do. Basically, you can see on my username here. Let me say I'm using Gutushi Cash. All right, I'll fill in Gutushi Cash, and you can use whichever username, and then you put in your email address. All right, put in your password, put in your phone number, and you select your sex, if you're a man or you're a woman, male or female. You select your country from here, your date of birth and state of origin, and then your bank name. You put your bank name from the beginning. So this is the sweetest part of it, so you can get paid as soon as possible. All right, you make sure you put the correct name that is on your account right here, as you can see on the screen, and here you put in your account number. Then you just answer any, you put in the security question, then you come here and answer it, then agree and complete registration. All right, boom. If you're done with your registration, you see that this is the next page you'll be referred to, okay, to log in. And I will leave a link to Owodaily in the description area of this video, so please visit the description area of this particular video to get the link. All right, what you need to do now is to go to that email you used. Okay, there must be a verification ID in that particular email. So let me go to my email so I can log in right now. Alright, this is my email box. You can see my email box right here on your screen. Alright, so I can't find the mail here. I can't see anything right here, but there is no problem if you have this kind of stuff. Alright, what you need to do, come to option here. Alright, and you go to all boxes and check. Okay, please, if you're getting value from this video, give it a thumbs up. All right, it's not there. Okay, let me go to promotions and check. All right, you can see Owodaily is right here. As for some of you, you will need to go to your spam, okay, in order to see the message. All right, let's click on verify email, because that's what we want to do. We want to verify our email. So let me verify this email. Let me click on verify email. If you're getting value from this video, please smash the like button. All right, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. All right, this is it. It's open right here, and some of you will need to make payments. You know, you make payments of 3,000 naira, 3,000 naira. Okay, so let's come down here. So we want to see how to make those payments. Right, there are so many payments method on the site, but if you are here in Nigeria, please, I will advise you go with Owodaily gift card. Okay, if you go with that, you will just be directed. You will be redirected to this WhatsApp, and you just send this message: hi, I want to buy a gift card. Okay, and this is what you get. Wema Bank, you need to pay 3,000 naira in this account, and just like me, I paid in 3,000 naira, and after that I sent the proof to them, and I got my pin, as you can see right on the screen here. Okay, so that's just basically what you need to do, and after that you use the pin to log in, and then you will be redirected to the main site. Boom, here we go. You can see my dashboard from here. You can see it's right on your screen. So if you want to start jobs, you can click here to see jobs available. So let me click on this and see what's going to happen. All right, if you're getting value from this video, please smash the like button. Okay, you can see jobs that are available right here on your screen, and we have tons of jobs like this on this site that we can prefer, and this will just take a few seconds for us to complete this task and we earn the money. All right, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel so you always get awesome videos like this whenever I post them. All right, another way you can make money on this site is to invite members. So whenever you invite your friends on social media, on Facebook, WhatsApp, all of that, Twitter, you get 1,600 Naira. This is really cool, really cool. All right, so all you need to do is to log in and come over to this section where you're gonna invite your friends, and when you invite them, you get 1,600 Naira. All right, this is really cool, and I think you can do this. All right, so what are you waiting for? Go into the description of this video and get the link to Owodaily and set up an account and start making money today.